This is Tony Rodine from Lehigh Valley Live, reporting from Center Square in Easton, where it's -1 with a chill factor somewhere around -21. They're going to tell you today it's not the cold but the wind. And I can tell you that's the truth. It's going to be pretty cold all morning. It's going to be cold again overnight, and then snow and rain over the weekend. And overnight Monday into Tuesday, they're looking at -3. So best of luck out there today. Be smart. If you don't have to be outside, don't be outside.
Leroy. I'm Leroy Rary. I stay warm. I go to Washington to see my girlfriend. Stay warm.
Is this the coldest day you remember in a while?
Yes, very cold.